Ariel Lawhon's Name Hélène is a riveting historical novel inspired by the true story of Nancy Wake, one of the most decorated women of World War II. Blending espionage, romance, and resilience, Lawhon crafts a sweeping narrative that celebrates courage, love, and the indomitable spirit of a woman who defied the odds. Name Hélène unfolds across 4 interwoven timelines, each revealing a different facet of Nancy Wake's extraordinary life. Known by her codename Hélène, Nancy is a glamorous journalist turned spy whose wit, charm, and fearlessness make her one of the most effective operatives in the French Resistance. Lawhon structures the novel around Nancy's aliases, each name reflecting a stage of her journey, from socialite to fighter, lover to leader. The novel begins with Nancy's life in Paris before the war, where her beauty and charisma draw attention but mask her growing awareness of the Nazi threat. Her marriage to Henri Fiacre, a wealthy French industrialist, introduces a poignant love story that anchors the narrative. Their relationship is tender, yet tested by the encroaching war, and Henri's unwavering support becomes both Nancy's strength and her heartbreak. As the war intensifies, Nancy transforms into a fearless operative. She smuggles documents, aids fugitives, and eventually becomes a leader in the resistance. Her courage is legendary. She parachutes into occupied France, organizes guerrilla fighters, and orchestrates sabotage missions against the Nazis. Lawhon vividly portrays Nancy's daring exploits, from cycling hundreds of miles to deliver messages, to commanding men twice her size with authority and charisma. Thematically, Name Hélène explores identity, resilience, love, and sacrifice. Nancy's multiple names, Madame Fiacre, Lucienne Carlier, Hélène, and the White Mouse, symbolize the roles she inhabits, each demanding strength and adaptability. Her journey highlights the tension between personal love and public duty, showing how war forces individuals to redefine themselves. Lawhon's prose is lyrical, cinematic, and emotionally charged. She balances thrilling action with intimate moments, ensuring that Nancy is portrayed not just as a spy, but as a woman of flesh and blood, passionate, flawed, and deeply human. The novel's structure, alternating timelines, builds suspense while gradually revealing the full scope of Nancy's life. The climax is both devastating and triumphant, as Nancy confronts betrayal, loss, and the brutal realities of war. Her resilience in the face of tragedy cements her legacy as one of the most remarkable women of the 20th century. The resolution honors both her personal sacrifices and her indelible impact on history. Reception of Name Hélène have been overwhelmingly positive. Critics and readers praise its blend of historical accuracy, emotional depth, and narrative drive. It appeals to fans of Kristen Hanna's The Nightingale and Kate Quinn's The Alice Network, offering a story that is both thrilling and profoundly moving. Ultimately, Name Hélène is more than a war novel. It is a celebration of courage, love, and the power of one woman to change the course of history. Ariel Lawhon delivers a masterpiece of historical fiction, ensuring Nancy Wake's story continues to inspire generations.